They promise to help you make killer AI videos, but is it all it's cracked up to be? The AI Creators Club is an online community and platform designed to help creators leverage the power of AI for video making. They offer resources, tutorials, and access to tools to streamline your workflow and supposedly pump out engaging videos. Here are some of the key features advertised by the club. Learning resources. They offer tutorials and guides on using various AI video creation tools. Community. Connect with other creators using AI in their videos, share tips, and collaborate on projects. Time-saving tools. Templates, software recommendations, or resources that can help you make videos faster. Exclusive offers. Some clubs offer members-only discounts on AI software and services. Alright, that all sounds pretty good, but here's what you need to consider before signing up. Cost. There might be a membership fee to access the full features. Make sure it fits your budget. Software focus. The club might focus on specific AI video creation tools. Check if it aligns with the platform you want to use. AI for everything? While AI is cool, it's not a magic solution. Not all video content will benefit from AI. The club can be a valuable resource if you're interested in learning about AI video creation and have the budget for membership. Ultimately, the best way to make engaging videos is to combine creativity with the right tools. Find out more in the link at the comments or description below.